Alright, I'm back to Iridium. I want to take another look at using the Iridium or gr-iridium and the Iridium-toolkit, which is already installed in DragonOS Focal. So at least that part's taken care of. But IridiumLive, I've seen it talked about before. I've seen a couple of videos. You can see here it's used for real-time visualization of the Iridium satellites as they pass above your location. So super easy to get up and running because everything prerequisites are I've already got them installed. So I'll put the GitHub page in the description. Just go there. Let's check out. We'll do a couple things. We'll check out the latest release here. I'll just stick it in the user source. You can stick it wherever you'd like, but we'll do. We'll clone that. We'll change into the directory there, and we really just need one thing, which is this UDP file here. So we're going to copy that into the user source gr-iridium folder, and that's pretty much all we need out of there. So let's change into the gr-iridium folder, have a look around. We'll want to edit this file that we just moved over there, and because I'm going to run the web server on the same machine as we're going to run gr-iridium, you can just change this to probably either 127.0.0.1 or let's try this, and that's all we need to change there. Let's see, we also want to change, we'll take a look at the examples folder, and I've shown a video in the past where we use the gr-iridium and the Iridium-toolkit with the RTL-SDR, and you can see that this conf file is set up. The only thing is it really depends on the antenna that you have. So I had purchased this antenna here, which needs the bias T turned on to power the antenna. So if you were doing this, following along with this video, and you wanted to use the RTL-SDR, you'd make sure that you uncomment this line here. Or no, actually, I'm sorry. You would uncomment this line here so you have the bias T turned on. Because I have the laptop in one position far away from the window, I'm going to use the HackRF for this video since I can use a USB cable, extend it over, and I have the patch antenna pointed out the window at the sky. So, and I'll actually use the HackRF, this conf file here. You'll see I've already uncommented the line that specifies the HackRF 0 and the bias on. Alright, let's see. Okay, so we've got all that taken care of. We're going to need one more thing, which is the binary for the web server. And we can open this up. We'll download the Linux x64 zip file. That'll download and save in our downloads folder in your home directory. You can unzip it. We will change into the directory and we'll make the IridiumLive file executable. Okay, so alright, let's see. Pretty much have everything taken care of. You can see we changed the file to UDP file to reference our server address, and if you come down here it'll tell you to initiate the following, and so I'll copy from about here over, and then we'll make some changes. And I will do this in the, let's see, I'll do this in our user source gr-iridium folder. I want to change a couple things. So the Iridium parser .py file in the Iridium toolkit, that's actually going to be located in user source. That should take care of that. And we'll change this to our conf file that we want to use. Okay, that should be it. So let's see, we'll run this. All right, you'll see how it's skipping, and there's these lines over here for the UDPs being received, like it tells you here. The length of the blob sent over UDP, so you'll want to see this happening in between the normal output that you get. So now let's change to our downloads folder, and we'll go ahead and run the IridiumLive file. Let's see, so we'll take a look. We need to open, let's see, on port 777. Okay, so we've got our IridiumLive open. We can look at some of the information that's coming in. And then we should be able to, if left long enough, see we'll start to see some of this being populated. Red dots indicating the physical satellite position, and blue dots indicating signal activity in ground vicinity. You can also play back over time here. So I've actually never run this before, so I don't know how much information to really be expecting, only running it over a short period of time. This is something I'll just continue to mess with, but thought it was really interesting to be able to see where these satellites are at, as well as the activity on the ground. Okay, you follow along, basically do what I did here. You should have it set up in DragonOS Focal. You could, instead of using the HackRF, you could use the RTL-SDR. I am trying to get the SDR play equipment to work, and since it's using Osmo SDR, I'm having some problems with that, so I'll continue to work on that. Yeah. All right. Thanks.